Kiwi, what are we doing and what are we driving?
We are driving a 64 F-100 short bed with a 347 blueprint stroker motor, making 437 horsepower. To date, it's made about 80. At a guess, wouldn't be much more. Don't think it ever got to triple figures. But now we've got a few things lined up, straightened out. Already it's driving a lot better. It's not, you know, we're not doing this down the road.
Yeah, all herky jerky, yeah, it's smooth and yeah.
So,
okay, he just wanted to just pull off. All right.
yeah.
If you're this guy, bad on you. They keep wanting to grab onto something there's nowhere to grab on.
It's a 64 F-100 truck.
Yeah.
There's no bells and no whistles.
Yeah, right.
That is really turn. Look.
It rides nice, but doesn't steer very good, does it? But it's, yeah, it's probably found the power in it.
Holy moly, that's night and day difference.
Yeah.
Night and day.
Yeah, it sounds better, it's happier.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's quieter. It's actually out, the exhaust is quieter.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I guess because it's running smooth. Currently going 30 to 60 in 0.1 of a second.
Yeah, with the standard floppy speedometer from 60 some years ago. Brakes work.
Yeah, the brakes work. Just got to get your leg high enough to get to the pedal.
Alright, here we go.
That was second gear, didn't it?
Yeah.
Might you tighten up that kick down a little.
Pull her down. It's got a shifter.
We'll see just how it launches. That's neutral. Unless it's an old school C4 with the
With the backwards ass.
takes off in a second.
Yeah.
Feels like it, doesn't it?
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
It was in first then.
Yeah.
It's not light in the tyres, is it?
No. But it feels like it's taking off in second, like a old C, you know? Because the first time it kicked down, it really kicked down.
Yeah.
The first, yeah. So that's maybe
Transmission.
the transmission you put
tweaking.
in. Yeah.
Should really be able to break loose the tyres. Pretty happily.
It should. Yeah, that was first. Yep.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, the power to handling ratio is not quite where it needs to be.
It's a little off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People talk about power to weight ratio. I'm like,
Power to handling.
power to handling, yeah.
It's got-
Stop's not bad.
Yeah, and it's got the right tires for handling. It's just everything's just so mushy.
Yeah. And the steering's like,
Think about it, steering. Yeah.
we're just not even changing direction. I told him he should put a Crown Vic front end in it, but
Yeah.
I think he just, right now, I think he just wants it to go, more than 80 horsepower.
And it does.
It does.
Yeah.
And it should just continue to get better.
Should. Yeah. Because everything's happy down there. 62. They were just out test driving. Blueprint 347 and the sniper system. Getting it all dialed in. Pretty cool truck.